guys, Kat Kerr, and today we're playing with the new black craft plastic by Grafix. Now Grafix has a full line of craft plastic in clear, white, and now black. This black heavyweight opaque film is extremely durable. It's perfect for opaque, metallics, iridescent mediums, and so much more. Today I'm adding beautiful color to the craft plastic using Easy Marble by Marabou, and I'm going to create 3 fast and easy cards. Now in order to apply the Easy Marble to the black craft plastic, you first need a container of water. Then you shake your bottles, add the color, mix if so desired, and then dip your craft plastic into the water, picking up the color, and then let dry. I first cut out 1-inch strips out of some of the sheets that I created. I then cut out a piece of cardstock to the desired size of the card and trim the strips to the length of the card. Next, I cut a piece of double-tack dry adhesive film, the same size as the front of the card. I peel off one side of the protective layer and place it sticky side down onto the front of the card. Then I peel off the other side of the protective layer, exposing the adhesive, and I place the 1-inch strips on top of the adhesive, leaving a space in between each strip. I trim off the edge of the card and then add glitter. It sticks to the exposed areas of the double-tack dry adhesive film. This black craft plastic can be easily cut with a pair of scissors, a trimmer, or a die cutting machine. Here I cut out some balloons using my die cutting machine. I glued them onto the face of the card along with some string, and then added a rub-on title, and this simple, easy card was done. Black craft plastic is extremely durable. You can even stitch on it. Here I cut a piece to fit the front of the card and stitched it into place. Next I add a helmet design using my space stencil. I then add the word Artemis using rub-on letters. Artemis is the space program committed to landing astronauts, including the first woman to the moon by 2024, one of the many first steps needed to get us to Mars. I then take a black marker and go around the helmet just to help it pop. For more ideas using black craft plastic, visit grafixarts.com. For the complete list of materials used in this video, see the description below. Thanks for watching.